Ever wondered how to make the perfect pie crust? Well, you're in the right place. The journey to pie crust perfection is a delightful one, filled with the right ingredients, the perfect blend, and a little bit of patience. With these 7 key steps, pie crust perfection is within your grasp. Firstly, choose your ingredients wisely. High-quality, ice-cold butter and water are your best friends when it comes to crafting the perfect pie crust. They're the secret keys to achieving that flaky, heavenly texture. Remember, the quality of your ingredients can make or break your pie crust. Secondly, blending matters. The secret to a perfect pie crust lies in the technique of cutting in the butter. Think of it as creating a sandy beach with your ingredients. Aim for pea-sized butter chunks for a flaky crust. Thirdly, hydration is key, but don't drown your dough. Introduce water gradually, just enough to bring your mixture together. It's a delicate balance akin to Goldilocks. Not too much, not too little, but just right. Too much water equals tough crust, and nobody wants that. Fourth, it's time to chill out. Now we're not talking about you, but your dough. It needs a good rest in the fridge before it's rolled out. This cool pause is crucial for your dough to be manageable and bake evenly. Chilling ensures your dough is easier to handle and bakes evenly. Fifth, when it's time to roll, do it with care. Rolling out dough isn't about brute strength, it's about finesse. Gently guide the rolling pin, applying even pressure for a uniform thickness. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's crucial for baking. Even thickness ensures even baking. Sixth, when it comes to baking, don't rush. The ideal environment for your pie crust to turn golden and crisp is a preheated oven set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Patience is the key to a perfectly baked pie crust. Last but not least, practice makes perfect. Embrace the process, refine these steps, and dare to add your own flair. Experimentation is the spice of life after all. Remember, the joy is in the journey, and every pie is a slice of that journey.